welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do these crosses. Now, I got these from Amazon. They were really cheap moulds. Now, I have already sprayed a bit of spray release in them as well. I always do in all my moulds just to make it a little bit easier. But actually, I thought, you know, these look quite nice, and I think I will give them a go. I'm going to do it with glitter, and I'm going to use a variety of glitters. I'm going to use some of the large holographic glitter, some normal fine glitter as well, and the colours I'm going to be using are silver, blue, yellow, bronze, dark brown, and a silver grey. So I'm just going to mix up my resin, and then I'm going to show you how to fill these moulds nice and easily, as well as get the best from these moulds. I've got all my resin mixed up now, and I'm ready to pour, and I'm just going to do just a normal pour with each one. I'm not trying to do anything fancy smancy with them. Again, that's a technical term, smancy. And I'm literally just pouring in the resin, as you can see, carefully like this. I'm just going to get one of these little tiny brushes and just go round and make sure this is in all the areas of this one, because this is quite a fiddly one. I don't really want any bits to be left out. But the other ones, they're all okay. They're all nicely filled now. We'll just let them cure up and we'll come back to them. These have all cured now, and they've cured nice and hard, so all I need to do is take them out of the moulds. Oh, I'm really pleased with how these have come out. I think these have come out absolutely beautiful. I love them. I love the way they've come out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some chain on them or some cord on them, and I'll show you what they look like when they're finished. These are all finished now, and as you can see, I made some extra ones as well. I used push bales to finish them off and some cord, and they look absolutely great. And the extra ones I made using mica powder, and the one on the right as you're looking at the screen, I used gold leaf in that one. I'm really pleased at how these have come out, and I'm sure that they would be very popular. Enjoy your resin. Bye.